Hi guys, welcome. Today I'll be unboxing a spiralizer. This was on sale. It was $62.99 at Kohl's, and I actually got it for less than $20. So it was a great deal and hopefully a great investment. Okay. Okay, so we have the instruction manual. And a recipe book. Okay. I guess this is a grip to turn. And this is where you probably attach whatever it is you're going to be using, maybe zucchini, or here are your choices. You have zucchini, onions, cucumbers, carrots, butternut, squash, beet, potatoes, and cabbage. And then in here we have some of the gadgets. Let's see. So we have this one. It's like a little storage. And then here you have the spiralizer itself. Different parts. I'm not sure what these are for yet. This you pull down like that. Let's see. Place that in here. This one in there. That's it. And this goes in here as a storage area. then on the bottom there's like a suction. So okay, this is used for the suction part to release. Okay. Let's release, open. Let's see. Okay, so there you have it. These are all the parts that came in pieces. And I'll probably make a video to show how to use it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.